with Streamline Steel. I've got my little helper today, Mr. Everest, sleeping on the job as always. Today we want to take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of how our #1 selling signature monogram is actually made. So everything really starts from behind the computer. That's where we do all of our designing and we get all the artwork together, and then we pull those files and send them to our fiber sheet laser over here. And that's where the cutting actually starts.
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty. It's just a thing of beauty.
Now that you've seen how our product is cut on the laser, let's head on over to our powder coating department and see how that process is done. So now that we have all the pieces over here in our powder coating department, the first step is going to be to grind each piece to make sure there's no rough edges. After each piece is completely smoothed out, we then hang it on these racks and we then begin the powder coating process. After the powder has been applied, the items then go into the oven where they cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then the final step in the process, we bring everything down to shipping, where they then assemble the stainless steel nameplates to the actual piece. And that is how our signature monograms are made.
It's just a thing of beauty.